Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can tag someone on Instagram app on your Android phone. So first of all, update your app, update your Instagram app. Now open the Instagram app. Okay, now I have two accounts under this account. So as you can see, I have one of the accounts as Noob Travel and another one as Awesome Travel Videos. So I'm going to my Noob Travel account. Okay, now suppose I want to tag someone. So I'm going to search for a pic here so that I can post right now and can show you how you can tag. Now I'm going to okay, so this pic looks really nice with all the flowering and all that. Spello, oh, it is from the Italy. Okay, now I'm going to click here. Now share to. So I have an app to download these photos and paste it back on Instagram. Now click on next. Now you can choose any photo from your gallery. Now caption, I'm going to copy and paste the same caption from that photo. Okay, so I copied pasted the same caption. Now you want to tag people here, right? Click on tag people. Now click somewhere. Who's this? Click on add. AWE awesome. Now type the Instagram handle of the person that you are trying to tag. Instagram travel. Now I am going to type my other account name, videos. You can see it came right here, awesome travel videos, right? So this was our this is my second Instagram channel. So click here. Now as you can see, it has tagged. Okay, now I'm going to tag somebody else from my account. Let me check whether my friend is there or not. Okay, you can see my friend is there, the Shubham. Click here. I can see I have tagged two people right here. Now click on the check mark that you see at the top right hand corner. Okay, now at the location, that is Italy. Now simply click on share. That is finishing up. Okay, so as you can see, I have posted the pic. Now if you click here on this pic, you can see there are only two people tagged in this video. That is one of my channels of Instagram, and the another one is my friend. So this is how you can tag on Instagram pics. So tag your favorite friends and family members on your favorite pics. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my channel for more videos on Instagram. Thank you.